everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Goodiebox of June. I received it earlier today and I couldn't wait to open this. I love the Goodieboxes and I think they are one of the best subscriptions, beauty subscriptions you can buy today. So yeah. I get overly excited every time I see a little text message from the early bird. They are the company who deliver the box to your door or your mailbox. I haven't seen any sneak peeks on the products inside the box, so I have no idea what's inside of the box. And for those who isn't really familiar with Goodiebox, it's a beauty subscription. You receive it every month and you pay every month, and you get a box with 5-6 products every month. I think they started in Denmark and then they grew bigger, and today we also have it in Sweden. I think they have it in Norway, UK maybe, and Germany. So we all can have this me time every month. Well, yeah, so if you're not really sure who I am, my name is Josephine and well, this is my channel, my beauty channel. I do tutorials, unboxings, hauls. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're interested in more videos like this, or if you just want to be kind to me, you can subscribe and of course like, comment, turn on the notifications. But with that said, let's start this unboxing. So you always get this black box and also this little drawer you can pull out. And you receive this in different colors and prints every month. So this month we get a blue box, a baby blue, cute. When you open, you have some paper and this little message. A while back we actually received another paper with descriptions of all the products, but recently they changed it and you can see the same description paper online. So if you still want to read that, you can go to their website and you see the prices of the products and all of that. But now we just receive this. Just a reminder to don't be sorry for enjoying taking care of yourself and feeling good about it. Find a link to our digital leaflet in the mail. That should be landing in your inbox right about now. So I guess the theme of June is vitamin C. We just unwrap it a bit and then we take one product at a time. So the first product is some kind of lotion. This is a sun body lotion, medium protection. I try to hide my nails because they're not really fancy right now. Just a sun lotion. It protects you from the UV light, and I received a lot of these lotions lately. I don't know, I have to try to get a tan every day so I can use these up. If you're only subscribing to one box, then you may think it's good, but I subscribe to 3 boxes every month, the Lookfantastic, the Glossybox and the Goodiebox. So to receive sun protections in every box, it's a bit irritating, but I mean, they don't know that, but yeah. So still a good product, and I recognize the brand from a previous box. So we'll see about the price and all of that later. The next product is a little bottle with pump in glass, I think. So I recognize this brand as well. I think it's the Eco King moisturizing serum, fragrance-free moisture boost, made in Denmark, allergy certified, vegan, 10 milliliters. So it's a very small size, but still it looks fancy. I recognize it at the brand. Very cute. The next product is something fancy. I like the bottle, so cute. So what is it? Balance Me. It's some kind of oil, face oil, 100% natural. It doesn't have a description on the packaging, so we have to read about this as well. And what is this? Sandstone. So we have received hair towel. You can like put up your hair in. So it's like a cap or hat, bath cap. But we received one of those, and I think this is the same brand, Sandstone. But this is a mascara, waterproof. So let's open. It looks very, very fancy and sleek. So it's a raincoat mascara, waterproof, special edition, full size. I like it. We'll have to test that. So I think this is the last product. A hairbrush. What? Okay. I like the color. Very cute pink. I like the paper instead of some plastic. It feels so weird. Eco hairbrush. The shape of the brush gently adapts to the shape of your head. Provide a relaxing massage. Product based on biodegradable materials, easily compostable. The 20mm pins are the only elements made of nylon. Product is solid and durable. However, modeling hair with hot air stream and this brush is not recommended. In appropriate environment, the product decomposes within maximum 5 years. Please recycle. Made in China. The brand is Wen. Very, very cute. Okay. So I love it. I recently said that I'm just using my hairbrushes with real broer hair, so not plastic bristles, but I will give this a chance and try it out, seriously try it out. Really, really fun. I haven't seen a hairbrush like this, so fun. Okay, we received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products and the cute box itself. Also some paper about Goodiebox own brand, I think. The Commodux, I think it's some kind of company connected to Goodiebox, I'm not really sure. Some discount, blah blah blah. So let's check Goodiebox website. First we have the Rose Auto Face Oil. Recommended price $42 for 30 milliliters, and this is 10 milliliters, and this is 10 milliliters. Take care of your skin with some extra hydration with this face oil. It comes in a glass bottle, yay. The natural mixes like Pure Rosa Auto, Palmarosa and Rose Geranium essential oils calms and strengthens the skin. It works on all skin types. Use every morning and night after cleansing your skin. Massage gently from your neck to your forehead. Okay, so it's a very expensive oil. It will be fun to test it out. And then we have the hairbrush. The recommended price is $16, and this is a full size. Brushing your hair can sometimes be more annoying than relaxing, right? With this Eco hairbrush from Wen, brushing your hair will be more of a treatment. It gives your scalp a massage and it will adapt to your face or your head shape because of the flexible shape of the brush. Be careful to use heat on the brush, for example your hairdryer, that kind of tools. And then we have the mascara from Sandstone Raincoat Waterproof Mascara. Recommended price $23. That's very expensive. It's a full size. Did I say that? I don't know. This mascara will not move. It's a water resistant formula from Sandstone. It works like a raincoat for your lashes. Even though you get stuck in the rain or having a day on the beach, your mascara won't smudge. You can use this if you have sensitive eyes or if you wear contact lenses. And then we have the Karma Mayu Sun Body Lotion SPF 15. It retails for $36, the full size, and that's 200 milliliters. This is how much? 30 milliliter. Still very expensive for a sun lotion, I think. Suns out, buns out, right? It's so important to remember to protect your beautiful skin. Karma Mayu Sunscreen SPF 15 is a antioxidant-rich moisturizing sun cream. Apply it over your face or your body before you go out in the sun. Okay, and the last product, the moisturizing serum from Echo King. It's not a full size. The full size is 20 milliliters. This is 10 milliliters, so it's half of the size. But the full size retails for $54. That's expensive. So only this little product itself have a value of $27. Oh my god. This Eco Cooking Serum is perfect for all skin types and it's especially good on the winter. Apply a couple of drops every day and night before your night cream or day cream. Or you can make it to a part of your daily routine. That makes no sense. If you apply it every day and night, you already made it your skincare routine, so what? Okay. So that's all of the products and all of the descriptions. Very, very good products. I really like the hairbrush. I think the product is some really high-end products. If you look at the price range, they're very expensive. But we don't know yet. We have to try them. Let's smell this oil. Oh, it has like this little roller on. Oh, it smells good. I like it. Oh, that smells good as well. It's kind of a short one, I know, but I haven't so much to say about this, so let's just leave it at that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you don't want to miss my future videos, you can click on the bell and turn on the notifications. I see you in the next video. Bye!